Welcome. This channel is about the process, discipline, and consistency, not hype. The goal today isn't to make money, it's to execute my plan. I keep my trading simple on purpose to fit my personality and my lifestyle. By eliminating noise, I don't believe is necessary to succeed in the market. This is for education purpose only. They stopped just hit at 10:30. I was in this trade for an hour and 10 minutes. Let's recap and explain why I went bearish. Just got stopped out. This is Palantir on the 1 minute chart. Open here. The red line is the high of yesterday or the day before. So I formed this pattern here. It was a high here. This is from yesterday. But since it's just one bar, I marked like a light color. So since this was the high of yesterday and this was the high someday back then, so I was focused on this high because of this pattern here, touch, reject, breaking this pattern bearish. I got in here, my target was here, it went almost halfway to my target and looks like it went to retest the other high, which I should look for that, but you never know. It formed this channel. That's exactly what happened. It formed this channel, so I just stopped out. I don't do anything wrong. If this setup presents, even if it was a loss, I would take this setup exactly the same way because it fits my criteria, my rules, my plan, and everything. So it just didn't work out. I would take this setup exactly the same way, even knowing it was loss. So that's the trade for today. I took the setup according to my plan, accept the risk, and the market didn't agree. The entry was clear. They stop as well, and I respect they stop without hesitation. The loss doesn't mean the trade was wrong. It means the outcome wasn't in my control. What matters is that I follow my rules and I didn't try to make it back. I'll review this, reset, and come back tomorrow, focus on execution or revenge, and always process over profits and discipline over dopamine. Thanks for watching.